Hi, my name is Uchenna. I'm a life coach in Houston, Texas. And I, was drawn to this because of the joy that I know that I will receive in getting that inner peace. Um, I do have lots of things going on in my life, business-wise, and then, of course, coaching and taking in lots of different energies and information. And this course has really helped me relax and sort of partition off my own and rejuvenate my own personal energy. And taking that control will help me help others in the process. So thank you very much. And this is fantastic, great tools. And I have now in my toolkit to move forward, with a lot of peace. It's awesome.
Awesome, Uchenna.